Hey guys, I'm in Lehigh Acres, Florida, which is on the west coast of Florida, and I'm with my student Davidson. It's an exciting day for him because this is his first house, his first fix and flip. He's very excited. He's also a little nervous, he told me, right? And we actually closed on it today, so we don't even have the power on, so it's really, really hot in here. And this is a house that he bought for $145,000, and I loaned him $130,000, so he's put $15,000 down, and he's looking to spend around $35,000 or so in rehab, and then put on the market and resell it. So, question is this: he lives in Miami, which is a 2-hour drive from here, and I live in Boca, which is 2.5 hours. So, why come all the way to Lehigh Acres?
Well, originally I started in Miami. It just wasn't any deal down there for me, and after talking to Lex over and over, he told me to stop being lazy, hop in my car, and drive 2 hours if I have to find a deal.
Sure.
And that's what I did, and I found a deal.
Okay, awesome. Well, so that's the thing. Right now, I think that in the last like 6 or 12 months, I've actually seen quite a few wholesalers that are prominent wholesalers go out of business or close shop in Miami because there's just simply no inventory. So I think that, when you can't find deals, you've got to be willing to go further and do things that other investors aren't willing to do. And so in the case of Florida, we have very limited geography because if we go east, we have ocean. If we go west, we have alligators. So the only thing we can really do is go north or go to the west coast, which is exactly what we did on this house, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys a little pan walkthrough of the house so you can see what it looks like. So this is the kitchen over here. And then we got the walkway over here. And there's room 1. There's another room over here. This is a typical rehab from the perspective of are we going to be putting everything new, right? So you're talking new flooring, new paint, interior, exterior, new bathrooms. We're even going to be doing some repairs on the stucco. And let's show you guys some more. And this is what a typical REO looks like. This is actually a short sale. And that's the kitchen. Living area. And I'll show you what the bedrooms look like. So there's one bathroom. And there's one bedroom. And there's another bathroom. So this is a 5'3", and fixed up, it's 1,584 square feet. So basically, fixed up 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom. We're given some consideration to maybe putting a pool in the back. We could turn this into an Airbnb, or fix and flip and put it on the MLS and get maybe $269. And I think if we sold it at that price, you'd net about $45,000 or so. And that's after commission and after everything, right? So exciting first deal. Are you excited?
I am. I'm nervous at the same time.
Good, excited and nervous. It's a good place to be. Get out of your comfort zone. All right, guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.